Hello and welcome back to the series of PMP Agile questions. We have covered 11 topics till now. Today is the 12th topic. Let's go deep and try to understand what are spikes. So, spikes is like an exploratory work that we do on Agile projects wherein we want to figure out if this technology challenge can be addressed or if how do we address this kind of risk. So, we do a time box event called spike. Let's see what are the questions we have today, and then I'll come back to the same routine of mind map, and then I'll share you a learning tip, and then let you watch that in the next video. Let's get started. The first question today, question number 66. Your agile team is working on a new feature. Okay, the team is working on a new feature, but the team encounters a technical challenge. Okay, so team has found a technical challenge that they haven't dealt before. Okay, the product owner suggests moving forward with development to avoid delays. So the PO is saying, oh, let's move forward, avoid delays. Okay. While some team members feel they need to research the solution first. What should you do? Okay, team members say they need to research the solution first. What should they understand the question? Okay, there's a technical challenge. PO says, no, let's go ahead, avoid delays. But team says we need to understand what's the solution first. Okay, obviously, if we don't have a solution, if we move ahead also, we're not going to get our output. So let's see the answer choices. Continue with development and address the technical challenge during testing. Uh, when you don't know the solution itself, how can you even continue development? How will you even go to testing? Perform a spike to research and resolve a technical challenge before continuing development. Yes. What is a spike? A spike is a time box event that is used for figure out a technical solution. It's like exploratory work. Okay, where you experiment things, where you uncover or you resolve uncertainties. Okay, so yes, that's a good option. B is a good option. Skip the technical challenge and move on to other features in the backlog. No, don't skip issues. If you find there are some issues, the project manager mindset should be don't skip issues, address the issues, else it will come back again. Discuss the challenge with product and reduce the scope of the feature to avoid delays. No, you can discuss with the product and saying there's an issue trying to do a spike, but you can't reduce the scope. Okay, that doesn't help. Then you not add value to the customer. Reducing scope is like not add value to the customer. So the best choice is answer choice B. Let's see. Yes, answer is B. A spike is a time box effort used to research an issue or gather information to address technical or design uncertainty. In this case, it's best to conduct a spike to understand the challenge and make informed decisions before proceeding with the development. Okay, so yes, let's do a spike and get the answer. Is what this is the best thing, right? Let's go to the next question. 67. During sprint planning session, your team identifies a user story that involves new technology that the team has not worked before. Okay, new technology which you have not worked before. I have worked on such a project. Okay, the story is critical to the sprint goal, but what should you do to ensure the team to be prepared to handle the uncertainty? Okay, story is also critical to the sprint goal. Include the story in the sprint and work through any issues as they arise. Okay, we can include and work on the issues. Split the story and complete the parts the team is comfortable with. What about the other parts? Splitting is fine, but you can't ignore other parts. Create a spike to investigate and gather information on new technology. Okay, see, this is good. Gather information on new technology before committing to the story. That's very good. So you do C and then you commit it to the sprint. Okay, that's a better option. So C is preferred first than A. Okay, because it's new technology. Delay the user story until the team gains more experience with the technology. No, don't delay. That's not a mindset of project manager. Okay, so option C is better. Let's see. Yep. A spike is helpful tool when the team encounters uncertainty regarding new technology or design. By conducting a spike, the team can explore the new technology and be better prepared to tackle the story in future sprints without impacting the current sprint goal. Okay, so make a spike, maybe a 2 week spike, exploratory testing. You go and understand exploratory work. We go and figure out how this particular thing can be done, and then you take it into the story if you know the way of doing it. Next one. Okay, also very important. A spike. See, a spike is successful or not. Even if you don't get an output of the spike is successful. Means it didn't work. Spike is done to figure out something can work or not work. Remember that for the PMP examination or PMICP examination, any examiner, right? 68. Your team is halfway through a sprint when they realize that they don't fully understand the requirements. of a complex user story. Okay, maybe the PO should help. I'll have to figure out. This confusion is backlog is blocking progress. What is the best way to address the situation? Pause the work on story? No, that's not a mindset. Performance try to gather additional information and clarify the requirements before continuing. Yes, gather additional requirements. Okay, you may not need a full 2 week time for this. Maybe a short spike of 2 days or something. You can try to do that. Remove the story from the sprint and focus on simpler use stories. No, don't do that. Not for PM mindset. Estimate the requirement based on previous stories and proceed with the development. Previous estimations may not help because you don't fully understand. So best choice is choice B. Let's see the answer. Yep. When the team lacks clarity or requirements, performing a spike can help gather the necessary information. This allows the team to move forward with a clear understanding, reducing the risk of rework or delivering the wrong solution. Okay, good one. Okay, let's go to the context kind of questions. All of the following are true with spikes in Agile, except, okay, this tells you like what is not a spike also. That also helps you learn faster and better. Spikes are used to investigate a problem and explore a new technology. Yes, that is true. Spikes are time box event to prevent from impacting the sprint timeline. Yes, that is also true. Spikes produce working software that contributes to product backlog. Okay, you will not get the complete working software in Spike. Okay, it's just you're exploring something. It's not the full working software. Spikes can be technical or functional in nature. True. So C is incorrect, which is the correct answer. Okay, because it's asking C. What except? Yes, spikes are used for exploration, research, and may not produce working software. Their goal is to gain insights and gather information, which informs decision making, but they do not directly result in deliverables that contribute to the product. Okay, next one. Question 70. Last question on spikes. All of the following are characteristics of spikes except. Spikes are typically time boxed to ensure they do not disrupt the sprint. Spikes are used to reduce technical uncertainty or investigate potential solutions. The output of spikes always deployable increment? No, it's not always deployable. The other two are true, right? The first and second are true. Spikes can be used when team lacks information to estimate use stories. Yes, it can be used. So C is the incorrect answer. Let's see the answers. Yes. The output of spike is usually information, insight, or knowledge, not necessarily deployable product increment. Spike helps teams understand complexity or technical challenges, but not intended to deliver immediate product features. So that's on spikes. Hope that was helpful. Drop if you like this video, please drop a comment below. What have you learned from this? If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, hit the bell icon to get to know the next video. And now I'll take you to the mind map, a simple mind map to understand spikes. Just few important things, right? Spikes are time box events. Okay, the purpose of spike is to investigate a problem or to explore a technical solution or reduce uncertainty. There are two types of spikes: architectural spikes or technology spikes, or risk-based spikes. Okay, wherein you address risk. Spikes can be done early in the project or during the sprint or in the mid sprint or execution of the in the execution phase of the project also. That's about spike. Simple mind map. I hope you are maintaining your notebook. Make a note of this mind map in your notebook. We have made 11 mind maps till the 12th mind map. We have another 30 more videos coming up, right? So we have got another 30 more mind maps that will come up in front of you. So maintain that notebook. It will be helpful for your quick revision on Agile. It will be on your fingertips. Agile will be on your fingertips by just revising those mind maps. That will be very helpful. Now let's go and see where is our progress. Here we are climbing the PMP mountain. We have finished like 12 videos, and that's close to like 27% of preparation on Agile questions is done on 12 Agile topics. So a few more to come. We'll finish. We'll make this 100%. I just want you to be with me. Let's finish what we have started. Watch these videos day by day. You understand about Agile. Every day just spending like 10 minutes on a video to understand a concept becomes very, very easy. So let's not give up. See, PMP is like a mountain that we are climbing. It is a challenge. Let's pick up this challenge. This small videos, this step-by-step videos, like five questions every day will give you confidence. This is the continuous improvement. This is the Kaizen you need to bring in to pass the PMP certification examination. And it is easy if you are consistent in your preparation, Have this image of this mountain in front of you, right? We all will prepare together, and then you can pass the PMP certificate examination. Do let me know once you pass the PMP examination. I'll be more than happy to acknowledge that thanks for watching the videos and passing the PMP examination. That will be very, very helpful. And let's go to a learning tip. So what is the learning tip today? So we have done all of these till now. Okay, today's learning tip is desire. What do you mean by desire? Like how badly do you want to pass PMP certification examination? Like back in 2015, when I was preparing for my PMP certification, the only thing I had on my mind was to get back to full-time IT job as a project manager, and PMP was the best way, right? I did not know much about PMP examination at that time, but when I went to an interview at IBM, the interviewer who interviewed me, he told me, you have idea, you speak like a layman, but you don't know the project management terms and some details in project management. Would you mind preparing for PMP certification, then coming back to us after 3 months for an interview, right? Then that's where I got on PMP examination, and then I understood. Then I bought the books, I read about PMP, I got the training done. It took me almost like 3 months of preparation to pass PMP certification examination, but it was worth it, right? The entire 3 months, my only mindset was I have to pass PMP examination. That was a burning desire I had in me. If you're looking out for a change from a from a tech role to a non-tech role, managerial role, then PMP is the path for you. You should have the desire to put effort to become a project manager, learn project management nuances, subtleties. If you're looking to get back to IT job on the project management side, then PMP should be your desire, right? You should be focused day and night. You have to be thinking about that, and then you'll be able to pass it. If you want to get back from a sabbatical to a job, a full-time job, right, then PMP can help you, because it has helped me also. I was in sabbatical, I got a full-time job because of PMP certification, right? Have that desire. Don't waste your time. Prioritize your work, your learning time, right? See, so many learning tips we have put over here: chunking, contexting, testing, mind mapping, active recalling. All these tips will help you. But at the bottom of it, you should have that burning desire to pass and finish the exams. Don't drag it for like months and months and months together, right? So you can finish it off in like 2 to 3 months. If you're focused, you can finish the PMP examination and get past the examination. I'm very sure you all will do that. Have that burning desire to pass PMP certification, because the amount of confidence you're going to get, the learning, the knowledge, right? That is all like irreplaceable. Yes, you'll get a job if you uh, learn the PMP, get the certification, you get the right places, get the interviews, and then you can crack the interviews easily, right? If you're already working, then you'll get the high salary hikes also if PMP certified, but nothing compared to the confidence, the knowledge, right? That PMP is going to give you. So it will make you a great career, right? So have that burning desire to pass PMP certificate examination. Prepare step by step, day by day. I'm there with you in this video series to help you understand the Agile question PMP examination. I wish you all the best. In the next video, we will watch about work in progress limits from Kanban. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please do like, hit the like button, share with your friends, comment what is your learning on this video, and you will be very, very much on the path to pass a PMP certification examination. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching my video. This is Arham, Faraaz. Bye bye.